What's up, guys? So just doing my review on my 2018 Honda Rebel. This is the 500 ABS model. I'm kind of worried about that ghetto rig kickstand thing that I did there. Anyways, here's the bike. I have about 800 miles on this bike now. Picked it up several months ago. Just had its first 600 mile service done by Hillsboro Motorsport. That's where I got it. So I'll just go through the bike first to show you guys the bike, and then we'll talk about some of the things I've done to it so far. And I know I am parked illegally on this gravel sidewalk here, but we'll just make this video short and sweet. This is a Sushi keychain. Look at this big ass exhaust. Thing's huge. I am definitely gonna replace that next chance I get. Alright, so now that we just did one complete look of the bike, let's talk about some of the add-ons that I've done. So this helmet lock holder, I replaced the stock headlights with some HIDs. I got this ballast and the whole H bulb and lighting system. I think I got that on eBay as well. I guess I could try to look for some of the links for some of the things that I got and just put it in the description box. And I bought some, like, you know, wiring tube covers just to cover the wires up. But goes right here and then into the headlight. That whole process is pretty easy. You remove these two screws here, and then you remove the screw here and the one on the other side, and you can just take the whole unit out. This plastic piece just kind of slides out, so that's pretty easy. Obviously the headlight cover, I got that on eBay. Here's the brand if you guys want to see that. It's just some, you know, brand from Thailand. And then I got this windscreen from National Cycle. Cell phone mount. This is actually for bicycles, but I mean, my phone isn't broken, hasn't fallen off yet, so it seems to be working. I replaced the stock grips with the Biltwell Torker grips. I believe this is the Torker, can't remember exactly, but anyways, it's the chocolate color. And then I got one of these gear indicators, and I think it's Idea. Anyways, there's like four or five different gear indicators on eBay you can find. They're all the same, really. Install process is pretty easy. If you guys have any questions on that, just let me know, and I I guess I can do a video if nobody has one yet. Oh, and the gas protector, gas tank protector pad thing, whatever you call it. Anyways, that's the bike. Oh, how did I forget these things? The sliders, frame sliders. So this isn't actually made for my bike. I got this actually off of my old bike, a 2009 Kawasaki Ninja 250R. I bought that, never installed it onto the bike, got rid of the bike, and then just never got rid of the frame slider, so I'm kind of glad I never sold it. But anyways, I just got some bolts on eBay. Basically I get everything on eBay, as you can tell now. But yeah, I made it work. Not sure if they're functional, but whatever. Just put them on the bike. And they function as footrest for long rides. Alright, so now that the people have walked by and their dogs are out of the way, let me just turn on the bike for you guys. Man, I love that starter. Bet you the numbers are like flashing right now. Low battery mode. Alright, anyways, let's start the bike up. So, stock exhaust. Still sounds pretty good, honestly. There are my HIDs. I've just never liked yellow stock halogen bulbs. I've always had HIDs on all my vehicles, so I had to do it for this one. Woo. And I'll give you guys a couple revs like they always do. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it wasn't too long. Yeah, I'm gonna start doing more videos with this bike. So yeah, thanks for watching.